Hey, it's Creative Mom Kamela here from Creative Mom's Decant. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wintry glitter snow globe tumbler. Isn't this fun? Let's go!
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
Some live craft room action because we've got several videos on how to do snow globe tumblers. Just like I did my rhinestone tumbler, I am making sure the outside edge is all very lined up. I'm also going to make sure that the circle around where the straw inserts is very lined up. And then I'm going to place them as they fit all the way through, including the sides, because yes, I'm that crazy with rhinestones. And I mean, this tumbler is already all glittery and wintry, so why not? So it was super fun to rhinestone out that lid. And I had to, of course, add some rhinestones to the side. So I made these snowflakes. I'm going to show you how to do a super simple snowflake. So the first thing you're going to do is make a hexagon. So basically take 3 of the rhinestones, put them straight in a row, and then add 2 on each side. I'm going to make a little bit bigger hexagon here, but that's the basic. So now at each corner, I'm going to add 3 stones out. So I placed the glue in those areas, and now I'm going to place 3 stones out. Well, it's really just a hexagon, and then you take it off a little bit more. These SS20 rhinestones are the perfect size for everything. That is my opinion. These other snowflakes that I did are super simple. They are really just lines out, and then I V'd them. I'm going to continue this with snowflakes, and I'll show you the end. Now that's a pretty awesome winter glitter snow globe tumbler. Super simple, didn't take any time, and how fun is that? From the top to the bottom, it's all perfect. It's laying with the UV resin seal, and everything is good to go. Super fun. Snow globe tumbler. I'm so ready for winter. Show us your projects, Creative Moms Decant on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Have a joyful day, friends. Bye.
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine.